Hello, and welcome to this guided breathing meditation. Tonight, I'll guide you through a powerful technique to calm your mind and ease into a restful sleep. This exercise is called the 4-4-6-2 breathing pattern. It's simple, yet deeply effective for relaxing your nervous system and releasing the day's tension. We'll do 5 rounds together, and I'll guide you step by step. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, but make sure your back is straight and your body feels supported. Close your eyes if you'd like, and let's start by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Round 1. All right, now let's begin our first round. I'll count for you, so simply follow along. Inhale deeply through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold again, gently, for 1, 2. Feel your body soften. Let's move to the next round. Round 2. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it steady for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, nice and slow, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause gently for 1, 2. Notice the tension in your shoulders or jaw starting to melt away. Each breath guides you deeper into relaxation. Round 3. Breathe in, deep and steady, for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath calmly for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale fully, releasing stress for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold again for 1, 2. Feel how your mind begins to quiet down, like ripples settling on a still pond. Round 4. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it steady, feeling the fullness for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, letting it all go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause softly for 1, 2. With each breath, your body becomes heavier, sinking deeper into the bed or chair. Round 5. This is our final round, so breathe with intention. Inhale deeply for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, savoring the stillness for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely, releasing every last bit of tension for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2. Let your breathing return to its natural rhythm now. Notice how calm and centered you feel. You've given yourself the gift of relaxation. As you prepare to drift off to sleep, remember this peaceful feeling. It's always here, just a breath away. Thank you for joining me tonight. Sweet dreams.